Hello, class. Today we're going to read a story called Inch by Inch. It's another bug story that we're going to be reading. It's a very good one. See how well it was? It's gotten an award called the Caldecott Award. This is by Leo Lionni. Inch by Inch. One day, a hungry robin saw an inchworm, green as an emerald, sitting on a twig. He was about to gobble him up. See the bird? Do you see the inchworm right here? There's the inchworm. Birds love to eat worms. Don't eat me. I'm an inchworm. I am useful. I measure things. Is that so? Said the robin. Then measure my tail. So the inchworm says, please don't eat me. I'm so useful. You can use me to measure. That's easy, said the inchworm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 inches. So see how he's moving down the bird's tail to count? How many inches did he count? That's right, 5. He counted to number 5. Just think, said the robin. My tail is 5 inches long. And with the inchworm, he flew to where the other birds needed to be measured. So see, he's flying now with the inchworm on his back. Ooh, what kind of bird is that? That's right, that's a flamingo. The inchworm measured the neck of a flamingo. See him crawling on the neck of the flamingo? How many inches do you think the flamingo's neck is? He measured the toucan's beak. This is a toucan, and this is his beak. Look how long. How many inches do you think the toucan beak is? Do you think it's more than 5 inches like the bird's tail, or less than 5 inches? See if you can take a guess. The legs of a heron. See him measuring how long the legs of a heron are? The tail of a pheasant. Look how long that tail is. Looks like these are getting longer and longer. And the whole hummingbird. Look at the hummingbird. He measured the entire hummingbird. One morning, the nightingale met the inchworm. Measure my song, said the nightingale. But how can I do that? Said the inchworm. I measure things, not songs. Measure my song, or I'll eat you for breakfast, said the nightingale. Then the inchworm had an idea. I'll try, he said. Go ahead and sing. So there's a problem. The nightingale said, can you measure my song? And the inchworm said, well, I only measure things. I don't know how to measure a song, but he's got an idea. So let's see what he's going to do. The nightingale sang, and the inchworm measured away. So see the nightingale singing, and what is the inchworm doing? That's right, he's measuring away. So let's see what happens. He measured and measured. Do you see him on here? He's right there. What do you think he's doing? Maybe he's running away from the nightingale because he said he would eat him if he couldn't measure it. Inch by inch. Do you see him now? He's way over here. Until he inched out of sight. So he did. He ran all the way away from that nightingale as the nightingale was singing. So that way he couldn't be eaten. The end. So inchworms are called inchworms because they're the length of 1 inch. About this big is an inchworm. And they can measure things by going up and down. So every time he goes up, or down, it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And he counts like that. Is there something in your house that you can measure? Maybe a pencil, or maybe you can use a marker and see how many markers it takes to measure a table or a countertop or a book that you have. Take a picture of you measuring something and send it to me.